S- Focus on safe sex practices. The most effective way to prevent STIs, including HIV, is through safe sex practices. This includes consistent and correct condom use during all sexual activity, regardless of the type of sex. Knowing your sexual partner's history and status is crucial, and open communication about sexual health is essential for mutual protection. Abstinence is also a completely effective method of prevention.
For those who inject drugs, using sterile needles and syringes is paramount to preventing the transmission of HIV and other blood-borne STIs. Needle exchange programs provide a safe and accessible way to obtain a sterile equipment, reducing the risk of infection. Never share needles for other injection paraphernalia.
Hello, I'm Leo Padilla, and I'll discuss focus on communication and relationships. Open and honest communication with sexual partners is crucial for preventing STIs. Discuss sexual history, testing result and risk factors. Building trust and respect with relationships foster a safe environment where individuals feel comfortable discussing sexual health concern and practicing safe.
Focus on testing vaccination. Regular STI testing is vital for early detection and treatment. Many STI, if left untreated, can lead to serious health complications. Getting tested regularly, especially if sexually active, allows for prompt intervention and prevent further transmission. Where available, consider vaccination against HPV, which can prevent certain types of cervical, anal, and other cancers.
Good morning, I'm Renyo Vince Joshua and I'm going to talk about focus on seeking medical advice if you may have contracted an STI. Seek for medical attention immediately because early diagnosis and treatments are essential for managing symptoms, preventing complications, and preventing further transmission. Don't hesitate to talk to healthcare professionals about any concerns you may have regarding STI, including HIV, because they can provide accurate information, testing, and treatment options.